When a legend ends, a new monster is born. Lamborghini has done it again, and this time they've broken their own limits. The Huracán, one of the most iconic V10 supercars in history, ruled the streets for over a decade. But the world changed, and Lamborghini had to evolve. So, in 2025, from the heart of Sant'Agata, Italy, emerges a new predator, the Lamborghini Temerario. At its core lies a brand new 4.0-litre twin-turbo V8 engine, handcrafted and born purely for speed. But this time it's not alone. Lamborghini has armed it with 3 electric motors, 2 in the front, 1 between the engine and gearbox. Together, they unleash a mind-blowing 920 horsepower, in a roar that shakes the earth. From 0 to 100 in just 2.7 seconds, top speed, around 340 kilometers per hour, and still climbing. This isn't just a car. It's an electric-powered hurricane wrapped in carbon fiber. Every curve of the Temerario screams aggression and elegance. The front splitter channels air perfectly under the body. The roof dips with a concave design to improve aerodynamics. In the new rear spoiler, it doesn't just look deadly, it is deadly, adding over 118% more downforce than the Huracán. The chassis, a brand new aluminum Spaceframe, 20% more rigid than before. And if you go for the Alleggerita package, it shaves off around 25 kilograms of weight. Everything here has one purpose: speed, precision, and control. Step inside, and you'll realize this beast isn't just about power. It's luxury and technology fused together. 3 digital displays greet you. 1 for the driver, 1 for the passenger, and 1 at the center. The UI feels straight out of a fighter jet, responsive, minimal, and customizable. More legroom, more headroom, 18-way adjustable seats, heating, cooling, all while your heart races at 10,000 RPM. Temerario gives you more control than ever. Città for city drive, Strada for calm cruising, Sport for that adrenaline hit, and Corsa for pure track madness. Plus, you can now select electric modes, recharge, hybrid, or performance. And yes, there's even a drift mode. Massive 410mm carbon ceramic discs in front with 10 piston calipers and 390mm discs at the back, giving you brutal stopping power when you need it. The electric torque vectoring system ensures every corner feels razor-sharp, with power shifting instantly between the front motors. And some purists might miss the V10 scream, but Lamborghini calls this evolution. The twin-turbo V8 hybrid setup isn't just faster, it's smarter. Electric motors fill every turbo lag, creating instant response. The result? You don't just hear speed, you feel it every millisecond. The Temerario is not just a successor, it's Lamborghini's declaration that the hybrid era can still be wild, emotional, and absolutely insane. It's where technology meets chaos, and chaos wins.